Hey, today I am making a delicious Nigerian Nkwobi with Kanda, also called Ponmo. This dish is spicy, rich and full of flavor. If you love Nigerian food, you're going to enjoy this one. First, I washed the Kanda, onion, garden egg leaves, garden egg seeds, fresh hot peppers, and ncham, also known as scent leaves. I cut them all up nice and fresh. Next, I cooked the kanda with scent leaves, onion, salt, seasonings, and other spices until it became tender and soft, but not overcooked. Allow the water to dry into the kanda. So now the magic starts. I added red oil and some ungo or potash to make a paste. If you look at my own, it's a little bit watery because I ran out of ungo, so I'm just trying to manage what I have. At the end of the day, it's supposed to be a little bit thick and also lighter in color, like orange instead of red. I will go ahead and mix until I get a nice creamy sauce. Then add the rest of the ingredients and mix. Okay, so this is my tip. Try not to add salt when you're mixing the oil and ungo. It's gonna affect the result. Add salt towards the end of your mixing. Okay. I like mine really spicy, so I added even more pepper and salt to suit my taste. Everything came together so beautifully, and then the aroma was just amazing. And that's it. Our spicy, mouth-watering Nkwobi is ready to serve. Would you try this recipe? Drop a comment below, share with your friends, and don't forget to follow for more delicious Nigerian food recipes. And let's get this video go viral. If this is the first time you are visiting my channel, welcome. And for my returning viewers, I appreciate you all, guys. Until we meet again, have a great day. Bye.